So, hello everyone, I'm Pranjil and I recently completed my graduation in Bachelor of Technology from Chennai. And after that, I joined Jspiders in the month of December 2023. So, here I have joined Java Full Stack Development course. So, Java was taught by Sudeep sir, Rashikar sir, and Gagan sir, Yuvraj sir. And then Web Technologies was taught by Shiraz sir. SQL was taught by Madan sir. So yeah, so in my company, in total there were 5 rounds. So first one was FT, and second one was face-to-face interview, and one was written code, Java coding test, and after that 2 more coding tests, and one HR test was there. So in all the tests, like all whatever topics and knowledge I gained from JSpiders, it has been very helpful in cracking all my interviews and all the rounds. So yeah, I would like to thank all the faculties of Jspiders Sepal and all the staff, all the HRs, whoever added me for the requirements, and thank you Jspiders.